Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to remove search suggestions from Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram app. Then if you go to the search icon at the bottom and just go to the search bar on top, you can see your recent search suggestions. You can tap on the cross button beside each of the keywords to delete it, or if you wish to clear it all at once, you can go to your main Instagram profile. Here we are. Then tap on the three lines option at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you come to settings and activity, tap on the option of your activity. Now from here, scroll down below and then go to the option of recent searches. Now, in case if you have a lot of recent searches history, you can tap on the option of clear all at the top right corner and then tap on the option of clear all. It will be deleted all at once and you don't have to do it one by one. Now, another step that you can do is just go back to settings and activity page. From here, scroll down below and tap on the option of help. Now tap on report a problem. Now tap on report problem without shaking option over here. Now if you wish to, you can also include complete logs and diagnostics, or if you don't, you can tap on the option at the bottom. Now you have to briefly describe about your issue and then add your feedback on this box given here. So this is the problem I wish to send to Instagram, and then tap on the option of send at the top right corner of your screen. So once you send your feedback to Instagram, they will be responding to you within a few days or a few hours regarding your issue and if it can be solved or not. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.